Hello student, welcome to SGV's Mahesh PU College. Here we are going to continue the first video of KCET question paper solving. Here we are. Let's start with question number 21. Identify the correct statement from the following. 1. Cuscuta is Chlorophyllus endoparasite. Statement 1 is wrong because it's not endoparasite, it is exoparasite. 2. The human layer fluke needs only one host to complete its life cycle. No, it requires multiple hosts. Third one, the life cycle of endoparasite is more complex due to their extreme specialization. 100% correct. Fourth one, during the course of evolution, the host bird's egg have evolved to resemble the egg of parasite. No, it will be parasite egg which will be resembling the host egg. If you compare all, only third statement is correct and rest all are wrong. So the answer is C. 22nd question. Relate column 1 with column 2 with regard to predatory behavior. See students, Calotropis it will be producing cardiac glycoside after eating which the animals die. So 1 goes with yes. Pigaster is a starfish which comes under invertebrates. So 2 goes with P. Then monarch butterfly, these are the butterfly which eat bitter plants and become distasteful. So 3 goes with Q, and frogs are cryptically colored, that is nothing but R. So the answer for this question is B. Next question. Okay, so we are here with the 23rd question. Small mammals and birds are rarely found in the polar regions. The reason is that, see, in the Allen's rule, they have straight away given that they have the largest surface area and relative to their volume. So this is the answer, straight question from the NCERT. Answer is A. Next one, 24th. Identify the incorrect statement. Camp plants close their stomata during daytime. It's correct. They open their stomata during night and close during day. B. Seals have thick layer of fat to reduce body heat. Yes, they are talking about blubber here. Third one, lizard bask in the sun during winter. Correct. Fourth one, tribes living in high altitude have the same RBC count as people living in the plains. This statement is wrong because you have seen in altitude sickness, usually the people who are living at the higher altitude area will be having high RBC count. So it is not same, it is different. So the answer is D. Wrong statement is D. Next question. Population size keeps on changing depending on the different factors such as food availability, predation pressure, adverse weather. See student, all these are the reason for the death rate. So automatically all these three become reason for the change in the population. So the answer again here is D. 26th question. Identify the incorrect statement. We have to check for the wrong statement here. Speciation is generally a function of time. It's correct. Tropical environment is less seasonal, relatively more constant and predictable. As in the tropic, you have got similar sun rays, so you don't have much changes there, and that is the reason it is relatively more constant and predictable. Correct. Solar energy contribute to the higher productivity. Correct. Temperate region have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years. This is the wrong statement students. Here it should not be temperate, here it should be equatorial, that is tropical regions. Okay, so the answer here is only fourth one is wrong, so the answer is C. 27th question. The correct equation depicting species area relationship is straight question. It is log S is equal to log C plus Z log A. Answer is A. 28th question. Match the column 1 with column 2. I'll straight away tell you the answer. Narrowly utilitarian arguments. Okay, if you see the options here, receiving benefit like food, medicine and industrial products comes under narrow. In broad utilitarian, we see conserving biodiversity for the major ecosystem services. And in ethical arguments, every species has an intrinsic value or moral duty to pass our biological legacy in a good order to future generation. See student, these are the same statement have been copied from the NCERT. If you refer the NCERT, you will get it. Next one. So the C is the correct answer. Next one is identify the correct statement about ex situ conservation. Advanced ex situ conservation include cryopreservation of the gamete, plant tissue culture method, seed bank and in vitro fertilization. Okay. See student, all these four, that is cryopreservation, seed bank, in vitro fertilization, all comes under the recent techniques. So answer is C here, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next question. The concept of contagium vivum fluidum was given by. The question is from the biological classification first year syllabus. Answer is C. M.W. Bijurinek. So the answer is C. 31st question. Identify the odd one out. Ustilago, Alternaria, Coletricum and Trichoderma. See students, Ustilago is an example of Basidiomycetes. It is a classification of fungus, whereas all these three belongs to Deuteromycetes, which we call it as imperfect fungi. So the answer is A. Next one. The plant body having holdfast, type and frond is a characteristic of. If you see the structure of algae, okay, when you go for the in the second type of algae, that is the brown algae, you find that laminaria is the one which will be having the structure called as holdfast, stipe and frond. So the answer here is A, laminaria. Next question. Identify the correct statement regarding class aves. So we are talking about birds here. Forelimbs are modified into wings and hind limbs are modified for the walking and swimming purpose. Correct. Heart is completely four chamber. Correct. They are homeotherms, that is warm blood organism. Correct. They are oviparous, that they lay egg and development is direct. Correct. All the things are correct here. So the answer is all of A, B, C, D are correct. So answer is D. 34th question. Epigynous flower is one in which? See students, when the ovary is at the base and the other valve comes at the top, so that is what is called as epigynous. In this case, ovary will be inferior. So check with this. Ovary is superior and the other floral parts are inferior. No. Ovary is inferior and the other floral parts are superior. Correct. So the answer for this question is B. Okay, don't even see for the other things. The answer is B. Next question, 35th. The following type of cell junction is not found in animal. See student, adhering junction, tight junction and gap junction all you find in the animals. Loose junction you don't find in the animals. So the answer for this question is D. Okay. So next question is 36. A bacterial flagellum is composed of, again straight question, the bacterial flagellum is composed of filament, hook and basal body. So the answer is A. 37 question. Match the compounds of column 1 with their functions in column 2. Trypsin, see trypsin acts as an enzyme. GLUT4, it enables glucose transport into the cell. Collagen is an intercellular ground substance, and antibodies, you know that they fight against the infections. So if you look at the answers here, D is the answer for that question. Let us go to the next question, 38th. The correct sequence of event in prophase 1. See student, when they are saying prophase 1, you know that in meiosis we have got prophase 1 and prophase 2. Don't think of mitosis because they are mentioning about prophase 1. If you look at the event, first synapsis takes place, then crossing over happens, then chiasmata formation takes place, and at the end the terminalization takes place. So the answer here is A. 39 question. The enzyme that is not found in the C3 plant is, see here, ATP synthase, RUBP carboxylase, NADP reductase, all you find in the C3 plant. But the one, PEP carboxylase, this you find in the C4 plant. Okay, so the answer here is D. You don't find PEP carboxylase in the C3 plants. 40th question, match the location of the cell given in the column 1 with its function in the column 2. Mitochondrial matrix, you know that in the matrix of the mitochondria, Krebs cycle takes place. In cytoplasm, glycolysis takes place. F0 and F1 particle are responsible for ATP synthesis, and in the mitochondrial matrix will be involved in electron transport chain, that is Q. So if you match these things, you will get answer as A. The further questions we will see in the next video. Thank you.